शांति शांति। Honorable Union Ministers of State, senior officials of Ministry of Ayush led by respected Secretary Ayush, dignitaries and all academicians, legends from the corporate world, Ayush professionals and my dear student friends, my pranams to you all. At the outset, it's my proud privilege to give a presentation, small presentation, how this this mobile YBREC app has come up and conceptualized and been prepared. As you know that on 21st of June, Honorable Prime Minister Sir has launched the Yum Yoga app. The work was started in the year 2019 to take the yoga to the every doorsteps. So the Ministry of Ayush collaborated with the WHO and we have come up with a Yum Yoga app, Yoga for Well-being. So accordingly, considering the different aspects, so Ministry has thought of having a small yoga break protocols, because our institute has developed many protocols. So our former Joint Secretary Sri P.N. Ranjit Kumarji and all the team who are involved in the WHO projects, we discussed and come up with a plan of having the yoga break. This is the brainchild of Sri P.N. Ranjit Kumarji. Then a team of yoga experts has been constituted, very eminent yoga experts like Bholeji and Sridharanji. And we sat together for a month and discussed and formulated a very simple 5-minute yoga break, which is very useful. So accordingly, the objective was to de-stress, refresh and get refocused to enhance immunity at their workplace, to minimize the discomfort throughout the day, making it easier to focus on work, to increase the productivity of individuals at workplace. So people are in a seated position continuously for a longer period, often up to minimum more than 2 hours at a stretch. The yoga practices help to open up the chest cavity, improve the lung capacity and increases the cardiopulmonary functions, which lead to main physical activity for longer duration. Now the pranayama, we chosen the Nadi Shodhana pranayama, helps to balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, and it also helps to manage hypertension. The practice of dhyana helps to maintain the focus and concentration, and also in reducing tiredness, anxiety and depression. These are all the findings from the extensive researches carried out across the globe during last more than 2 years. So then the target population is corporate sector, public sector, educational institutes, hospitals and IT firms, and who are having occupational stress and minimum working hours of 6 to 8 hours in a day. The protocol shall be practiced twice a day, 5 days in a week. So the protocol consists of the 5 sets: Tadasana, Urdhva Stottanasana, Skandha Chakradaya. In each minute we made one capsule. That's a very well designed capsule. So the most important mechanism was to reduce the anxiety, fatigue and tiredness, to open up the chest cavity, improve lungs capacity, etc., to release nitric acid, especially in the Bhramari pranayam, and to regulate blood pressure, to balance autonomic nervous system by balancing sympathetic and parasympathetic activities. So let us see the mechanism of each capsule. We have 5 capsules. The first one is Tadasana, Urdhva Stottanasana. Again come back to Tadasana. So these practices lengthen the abdominal muscles, hips and thigh muscles, improves flexibility in the spine, stretch the muscles between the ribs, intercostal muscles, stretching of the whole body and stretching out the intercostals, open up the rib cage and lungs, which improves the breathing capacity, reduce the stress and blood pressure. Then important benefits of this capsule is they are helping in the help to develop the stability, clear the congestion of the spinal nerve, helps to correct the faulty postures and improves mind-body coordination. And for each capsule we are also given the precautions to be taken by the practitioners. The next one is the Skanda, Chakra and Uttana Mandukasana. These practices are to enhance the shoulder complex mobility and spinal flexibility, open up the chest cavity, improve the breathing, helps to refresh and refocus, especially to prevent the cervical spondylitis disorders like that. The next one is the benefits of this. The one is relieve the back pain, cervical spondylitis and frozen shoulders. So we have experimented many times in the institute in various things, then only we come to this conclusion. Then increase the flexibility of the spine, helps to overcome the stress. Again the capsule has the cautions. And the third capsule is the Ardha Chakrasana and Prasarita Padasthanasana, followed by the deep breathing. This forward and backward bending increase the cerebral blood flow, thereby enhances positive effects on the cognitive functions, including attention, processing speed, etc. So this forward and backward bending, they are for the bending increases all these things I have already explained. Next we come up with the important aspect is the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. So Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is very, very beneficial in the purifying the blood system and increase the overall health of the system. It stimulates to release the endorphins, which are chemicals that have a natural calming effect. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is very, very popular as an Anulom-Vilom Pranayam. It balances the functions of autonomous nervous functions, thereby bringing the stability, mind-body stability. Important benefits of this one is induces the tranquility, internal awareness and concentration. So lastly, the Bhramari Pranayam, which is very important, induces the meditative state by harmonizing the mind and directing the awareness inward. The vibration of the humming sound creates a soothing effect on the mind and nervous system. Dhyana helps to reduce cortisol and increases dopamine, melatonin, GABA, endorphin, etc., which helps to stabilize the mood and increase the positivity in mind and body. So the trial was conducted to assess this one. It was put up in the 15 days trial, conducted in 6 leading yoga institutions in 6 metros. More than 717 participants from 35 organizations, both from the public sector and private sector, were participated in the trial. Accordingly, the trial results show that yoga break protocol can bring notable changes in the health parameters of the working population. Accordingly, it should be introduced to all institutions to improve the quality of work. Feedback of the protocol is very, very encouraging. So, first time in these things we brought the 5 Panchakoshas, the changes in the Annamaya Kosha, overall improvement of 12.1%. Only 5 minutes of yoga protocol practiced twice a day brings improvement of 12.1%, which was achieved and improvement in each parameter of the Annamaya Kosha. Then in the Pranamaya Kosha, overall improvement of 41.3 was achieved and also improvement in each parameter of the Pranamaya Kosha. In the Manomaya Kosha, and there is a overall improvement of 32.5% was achieved and improvement in each parameter of the Manomaya Kosha. And lastly, in the Vijnanamaya Kosha, so we have a very important results in one, social relationship and control over habits, etc. Overall improvement was 30%. And in the Anandamaya Kosha, that is for the happiness, stress, depression, etc., we have 43.4% was achieved during this one. So overall, most importantly, the changes in the personal history, urination, bowel movement, appetite, thirsty, and sleep, there were significant small changes because time duration was very, very shortage. So what are the recommendations? Workplaces have traditionally focused on the poor occupational and safety issues and have not paid adequate attention to the health of their employees. Encouraging results of Y-break at workplace yoga protocol may introduce at workplace to bring this gap. It can be practiced by people from factory workers to the intellectuals in academic field just for 5 minutes during the day, even with their prolonged work schedule. This Y-break at workplace can create a perfect balance between the activities and the process of mind and body. This is the small presentation. Now I request all of us will 5 minutes, we'll have these 5 capsules, we'll practice it. So our one person is sitting in the official setup, another one is sitting. Those who can able to practice, we can practice. Let us stand up and yes sir, if you all practice it, so our proudly sir, it's very simple practices. Yes. Yes. Let's have you can watch the instructors, and just I will give the directions. Because some of the international, in various countries, 12 countries are also joining us from their countries. That's why I am giving the instructions in English. First of all, just keep a 1 foot distance between the 2 feet. Fold your hands in the Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Just relax. Lock your fingers. Stretch your arms. Inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale, bend towards the right side. Lateral bending, right side, right side. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend towards the left side. Inhale, come up. Exhale, place your hands on the head. Again, inhale, raise your arms up. Stand on your toes if possible. Slowly come back, heels down. Open your fingers. Stretch your arms. Hands down. Close your eyes. Feel the impact. The second capsule. Raise your arms up with inhalation. Place your palms on the respective shoulders. Bring your elbows as much close as possible. Slowly rotate your shoulders in the clockwise direction, up, down 3 times. With inhalation up, exhalation down. Inhalation up, exhalation down. Now the anti-clockwise direction. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now slowly stretch your arms. Then raise your arms up. Take your hands back. Cross them. Stretch your spine. This is very useful for the cervical spondylitis. Then slowly raise your arms up. Hands down. Slowly. Relax. Close your eyes and see the impact on the shoulder and neck muscles. Now slowly raise your arms up. Then slowly twist with exhalation, right side. Twist your body with exhalation. Yes. Yes. Again inhale, come back. Exhale, bend towards the left side. Twist your body. Very good. Come back. Yes. Place your hands on the hips. Then slowly inhale and bend back with opened eyes as much as possible. Inhale up. Yes. Exhale, just slowly bend forward. Otherwise you can take your help of the table. You can watch it. Yes. Very good. It stretches the spine. Slowly come back. Hands down. Please sit down. Relax. अभी पूरा नहीं हुआ है. पूरा नहीं हुआ है. आधा हुआ है. So take deep breathing. Slowly inhale. Just another 2 capsules. Slowly inhale. You can see the change, small movements. Slowly inhale and exhale. Now we do Nadi Shodham Pranayam. Adopt Nasika Mudra. Yes. Exhale through the left nostrils. Slowly inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Again inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. This is one round. We'll do one more round. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril again. Deep, deep, deep. Exhale through the left nostril. One more round. Inhale to the left. Full, full, full. Exhale to the right. Again inhale to the right. Exhale through the left. Hands down, close your eyes. We do Brahmari. Inhale and produce the humming sound. Inhale please. Again inhale. Last time, inhale deeply. Close your eyes. Keep your body relaxed. Relax the whole body. Watch the changes in your spine, shoulders. See the change in the nostril dominance. Relax the whole body and mind. That's all. Namaskar Mudra. Fold your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Open your eyes. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.